Good afternoon. How are you doing today?
Good. How are you?
I'm doing good. What can we do for you?
I'm here for routine maintenance.
Routine maintenance. Okay. We'll get that going. Did you have an appointment, or are you just bringing it in?
No, I had an appointment.
Okay. What was the name for the appointment?
Brenda Smith.
Brenda Smith. Okay. I'm gonna have you help me do a quick walk-around inspection. What I'm gonna have you do is turn on the vehicle for me.
Okay.
If you could, just spray your front wiper plates on the windows. That's for the front. Then push it that way, which is for the back one. What this does, we just check, see the wipers, if they're streaking or not. They look good. Then I'm just gonna do a quick walk around of the tires. I'll check the tire measurements. Then I'm gonna check the brake pads, visually see if they're low or how they're standing. So I'm gonna do this really quick. I'll be right back with you. So it appears to be that all of your tires are sitting at 9:30 seconds, which is good. No need for tire rotation today. Visually, the brake pads do look good. Of course, when we get it back there, we'll do a measurement. It's part of each vehicle that comes in here. We do a multiple inspection while it's back there. Then if you want to step out the vehicle for me.
Okay. Thank you.
Looks like you're a first-time customer here. And what was your first name again?
Brenda.
Brenda. And your last name?
Smith.
And will you be waiting with us, or will you need a mode of transportation?
I actually will need a mode of transportation or just a shuttle back.
Shuttle.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's get your shuttle for you. It should take about an hour to do the service.
Okay.
Follow me out here.
If you want to come on out, Brenda, I'll be your shuttle driver.
Okay.
My name's Scott.
Hi, nice to meet you.
This is our all-new ID.Buzz, all-electric vehicle for you. If you'd like to step on in, I will get you to where you need to go.
Perfect.
Like I said, this is the all-electric Buzz, so you will notice that it is very quiet to drive. If you notice, with it being electric, you do have instantaneous acceleration, which is very nice. So I understand your vehicle is finished. So what I will do is I will go ahead and pull into the service drive where we picked you up from, and then we can go in and get your paperwork and get your vehicle for you and get you on your way. So what do you think about the Buzz?
I love it. It's so spacious and it's a very smooth ride.
Yeah, it's very, very good. I really like it. As you can see, we've already got your car in the service drive for you. Thank you.
Hi, Brenda.
Hi.
We got your service all finished for you.
Okay.
Quick inspection of the vehicle. Everything looked good on the vehicle. Let me go through here and go through it for you. Everything was marked in the green. Tread depth, brakes, everything looked good for you. Then here's the price for everything, okay?
Okay, perfect.
Here, okay. Here you go. You have a great week, and we'll see you next time. Okay?
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.